Hi, we are the Vegas Twins, and here we discuss all things Las Vegas. Today we are going to discuss money-saving tips for your Vegas vacation. We went over some free activities in another video, but these will be other ways to save money, so let's get started.
Starting out, when you travel to Las Vegas, packing lightly is critical, no matter what airline, but even more so on the budget airlines like Spirit, Frontier, or Allegiant. These carriers often charge additional fees for checked luggage, making efficient packing crucial. To avoid extra costs, opt for a backpack as your carry-on and strategically pack most of your clothes inside, leaving some space to avoid overstuffing. By rolling clothes neatly, you can maximize space and minimize wrinkles, allowing you to fit more essentials. Packing smartly not only saves money but also streamlines your travel experience, as you won't have to wait at baggage claim or fret over exceeding weight limits. Embrace the art of compact packing for hassle-free and cost-effective journeys to Vegas.
Speaking of flying, if you have good credit, you can save on trips to Vegas by utilizing airline miles. With rewards credit cards, you can earn points for everyday purchases, converting them into free or discounted flights. This savvy approach can significantly cut down on your travel expenses, making your Vegas getaway even more enjoyable.
Next, by opting for midweek stays in Las Vegas, you not only enjoy cost-effective accommodations but also have the chance to earn free nights through the My Vegas apps, adding even more value to your trip. However, it's worth noting that since the pandemic, some establishments, particularly in the day club scene and bars, might have reduced operating hours or limited availability during weekdays. Nonetheless, with a bit of planning and flexibility, you can capitalize on the cost savings and make the most of your Vegas adventure during the quieter weekdays.
If you are going to gamble, signing up for loyalty programs is particularly important when visiting casinos. These programs offer a myriad of benefits, from exclusive discounts on accommodations and dining to complimentary show tickets and even free play credits. By enrolling in these programs, you can maximize your casino experience and get rewarded for your gameplay. Additionally, loyalty programs often provide points that accumulate over time, offering the potential for future perks and upgrades. So, before hitting the casino floor, make sure to join their loyalty program to unlock a host of valuable benefits and enhance your overall Las Vegas adventure.
Furthermore, in addition to signing up for loyalty programs, another savvy move when visiting Las Vegas is taking advantage of gambling lessons offered by some casinos. These free lessons provide valuable insights into various games, enhancing your chances of success and enjoyment on the casino floor. Whether you're a novice or an experienced gambler, these lessons can improve your skills and confidence, allowing you to make the most of your time in Sin City. Embrace the opportunity to learn from the pros and elevate your gaming experience while in Las Vegas.
That's great advice about gambling lessons. Now moving on, another tip to keep more money for fun activities on the Strip is to avoid ATM fees by using your own bank while in Las Vegas. It's a simple yet effective way to save those hard-earned dollars. So, be a savvy traveler and skip those extra charges. Speaking of saving, hit the subscribe button and join the Vegas Twins channel for your guide to budget-friendly adventures in the City of Lights.
Utilizing the free trams in Las Vegas is a smart move to navigate the bustling city conveniently and economically. These trams connect major resorts and casinos along the Strip, making it easy to hop from one hotspot to another without spending a dime. Embrace the efficiency of these complimentary transportation options, allowing you to save money on taxis or rideshares while experiencing the glitz and glamour of Las Vegas seamlessly. Enjoy a cost-effective and enjoyable journey around the vibrant city. Also, speaking of making your journey enjoyable, head over to vegastwins.com for reviews and more, and check the links for great deals on Las Vegas attractions.
Our final piece of advice for saving money in Las Vegas is to try and avoid shopping at hotel souvenir shops as much as possible. Instead, we recommend exploring more budget-friendly options like Walgreens, CVS stores along the Strip, or ABC stores. For instance, a bottle of sunscreen may cost around $20 at a hotel gift shop, but it's likely to be just $13 or $14 at one of the recommended places. By choosing these alternatives, you can save significant amounts on essential items and souvenirs, leaving you with more money to enjoy the city's entertainment and attractions. Make wise shopping decisions and stretch your budget further while exploring Las Vegas.
We hope you found our overview of money-saving tips for Las Vegas helpful. Remember to pack lightly, sign up for loyalty programs, and take advantage of free trams. Consider avoiding hotel gift shops and opt for more affordable stores. Have your own tips or opinions to share? Comment below. Wishing you a wonderful day filled with unforgettable adventures in the entertainment capital of the world. Enjoy your time in Las Vegas.